Welcome to section 3, where we're going to cover some of the capabilities from Dynamics 365 for Customer Insights. In this video, we'll start with an overview and look at what kind of business problems Customer Insights is helping customers solve. So let's start with the situation today for many organizations. Let's imagine that we work for an organization and they have a preferred customer, and her name is Mrs. Susan Jones. In this company, there's a variety of systems that we track and manage our business and also our interactions with our customers. And we can break those systems into both internal and external systems. A challenge that we often have in internal systems is we can have well-structured data about each one of our customer records, but chances are they might all be slightly different. When we look at our external systems, we might have an idea about who our customers are, but we're not 100% sure. And then we might have new and evolving systems where we're tracking information about our customers, but we don't actually know whether or not it is in fact our customer. So at the end of the day, a common challenge that many organizations have is they have data silos. So many versions of the same internal record, not knowing which one is correct. And this can translate to a poor customer experience where customers are treated differently in different parts of the organization. We also have data governance challenges and a question of how do we keep this data up to date and consistent. The other challenge that we have is properly understanding the customer journey. So what is my customer looking for now? How can we adapt to change? How can we offer a tailored service that meets my customer's needs today? And how do we engage our customers? How can I put the right information about our customers in the hands of our staff? How can we have the right information available across all of our channels? And this is where Customer Insights comes in. So this new offering from Microsoft is purpose-built for handling these kind of challenges. First of all, they've enabled a series of connectors that will allow us to connect to internal and external information. They've created a robust process where we can ingest that customer data. We can go through a mapping and matching process, and we can unify that customer record into a single record. We can then use analytics, AI, and machine learning to gather insights about these customers. And then we can put that information in the hands of our business processes and make it available through our channels of engagement. So with these new capabilities provided by Customer Insights, when we encounter a situation like this where we have all of these different understandings of our customers, we can then use Customer Insights to create a common customer record, otherwise known as a golden record. And using that, we can unify the data across all of our channels. We can even hold the story of the customer journey. If you consider Mrs. Jones, she might have been Mrs. Susan Smith before she was married, as an example, or our customers might have been living across many addresses, so their situation will change, and we won't always keep up to date as an organization. But with Customer Insights, we can address this. We can also better understand the customer journey. So with this tool, customers can be segmented using not only demographic information, but also transaction and behavioral data. We can also understand what similar customers are most interested in by using AI-enhanced insights. And we can better engage our customers. Customer Insights can be accessed via its API, and that can be queried by operational systems in real time. So that really puts the frontline staff in a situation where they get the full picture of the customer. In terms of user groups for Customer Insights, there are 3 main categories. First of all, we have data analysts and admins, and they're going to be interested in the rich set of data connectors that we can ingest data with and how we can unify and transform that data into a common data model. We'll have our business users, such as marketing and sales, and they'll be really interested in being able to get this 360-degree view of the customer. And we have business analysts who can use this data to build customizable profiles, define measures, and create segments. And they'll also be able to use connectors to bring this data into applications or BI solutions such as Power BI. So in this section, we're going to cover a series of key points across the whole customer journey using Customer Insights. We're going to start with working with data. We'll then look at how we can load customers. We'll look at how we can go through the unification process. We can create filters and indexes for our customers, how we can load activities to understand how they're behaving. We'll go through a process of creating segments and measures. We'll also enrich that data with external insights. We'll then consume that data and look at how we can attach that to our business process. And the main example we will use will be Dynamics 365. So in this section, what you'll be learning will be the key capabilities and value for your organization for customer insights. You'll see how you can set up and configure customer insights. And this section is going to be very hands-on. So I'll be providing data that you can follow along, and you can have a hands-on experience of ingesting data, unifying that data, building measures and segments, and then accessing that data from Dynamics 365.